and welcome back to another video. So yes, I could do this to that. Hang on. 3, 2, 1. It's a bit dark, so let's turn the light on. Hang on. 3, 2, 1. And it's on. Bit lighter. Pretty much. Pretty good.
Yeah, that hell's a killer, eh? Fucking insane. Especially on the fucking bad days or something, I'm thinking they want to fly off.
I turned into a handstand.
Wow, fucking snow and all that rain and fucking sleet. The wind doesn't bring it, it's the fucking snow and the sleet. Yeah. It was only because it was in my head, my fucking bike had turned up there and it was just like, oh, what's that? Yeah, fuck that, yeah. And it was only because I went around the corner.
Hang on.
But it's snowing here and that. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. The other thing is too, that when you fucking run into the corner, and you've got a truck coming the other way, there's no fucking room. Like, I'll put my helmet on the trailer.
Oh, yeah.
It's like,
That's close, eh?
no, that's not good. Yeah. It's coming down the other side. It's coming down the other side, man.
Is it still there?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, well, there's another one, eh? Like, there's a couple of things that got those fucking catch barriers.
Yeah.
And they're the ones that hit that out works.
Oh, yeah.
Because, like Dad's just saying, like, they'll get a big wind on, and then you fucking go around the corner, but you kind of get caught. And
Oh,
you just
yeah.
get fucking,
Good
you
check.
push into it.
Yeah.
Fucking straight into the fucking side.
It's like having a finger on the back going the wrong way.
Yeah, exactly that. And it's just like, but it's worse, because like you've got no control. At least you can turn and hit the cunt.
Yeah, I reckon, yeah.
When the silly little bitch will be fucking, oh, what did you do there? Fuck her right away.
Oh,
But it's gotten a bit.
oh, cheers, man.
Oh, cheers, tell you.
Look at that. You on?
Yeah.
So,
Fuck yeah, you hit the ass. But yeah, it is getting better, right?
oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Last standard.
I mean, I need a ball.
Yeah, big.
Oh, that's hosties.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah, big hands.
I was going to say, I thought they were fucking. I was still. I was going to say this, how fuck that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well.
Mine was like, I did that.
Guys, guess where we're going? Let's chill out in here. Nice, kid. You're out of it. Don't mind that. Whatever. Guys, look at the shoe. Guys, I took off these. I just added it with these. So yeah. Okay, let me just do that. Yup. That. How much that? Medusa. Yeah, so you over here before you do making so much stuff. So hang on, I'll be back. Yes, well, this heats. Well, that heats up. We will just jump. The sleepy head. Oh, what does it say? Guys, what is it? Oh, jeez. You'll see from here. Yeah. I guess I want this. Sleepyhead nudie. Okay. Hi. Can you see anything coming out? Tell me. Can you see anything? Okay, I think there is a little bit. Okay, come on. Guys, so this is what we're going to do. I will show you. I'll just do this. I don't know why I'm going there. I don't know. I peeled that off. Okay guys, you're going somewhere else, so that's